The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Bataan in Region 3 or Central Luzon. The province of Bataan has the city of Balanga as its provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 3 or Central Luzon region. It is composed of 1 city, 11 municipalities, and 237 barangays. It was founded on January 11, 1757. The total land area is 1,372.98 kilometers squared or 530.11 square miles. The province of Bataan is bordered clockwise from the north by Zambales, Pampanga, Manila Bay, and the South China Sea. Here are the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Bataan in Region 3 or Central Luzon region. The municipality of Abukay with 9 barangays, municipality of Bagak with 14 barangays, the capital city, Balanga City with 25 barangays, the municipality of Dinalupihan with 46 barangays, municipality of Hermosa with 23 barangays, municipality of Limay with 12 barangays, municipality of Mariveles with 18 barangays, and the municipality of Morong with 5 barangays. We also have the municipality of Orani with 29 barangays, municipality of Orion with 23 barangays, municipality of Pilar with 11 barangays, and the municipality of Samal with 14 barangays. And that is all about the different city and municipalities comprising the province of Bataan in Region 3 or Central Luzon region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.